Hey guys, Adam here from Thunder Road Harley-Davidson with another video for you. Today we're going to be looking at the King 6 transmission from Screaming Eagle. Really cool product. They've gone the extra mile on these gears. You've all heard about the problems that we have with the early 6-speed. They've solved all those. So they've got back cut gears for our third and fourth gear. It's just going to draw it in a lot smoother for better engagement. The heat treated gears are going to be handling 25% more torque. Really excited about that. And just shifting overall, it's a fast shifting transmission. I've done a couple of them now. I'm really impressed by them. The support plate's got a really nice engraved Screaming Eagle on the outside, so everybody knows what's on the inside. So I hope you enjoy this video. Should note that this transmission does fit all the way back to 2007. So these guys with the older twin cams with built up motors, you don't have to go aftermarket anymore. We offer you a product that's going to support that engine. So enjoy the video, and glad you came along. I got a new product here, just hit my bench. It's a King 6 racing transmission. What you can see from the outside, it's pretty attractive. We've got the Screaming Eagle logo on the outside here. We've got beefed up bearings for the input shaft and the counter shaft. They've implemented a cast shift drum, which is much tougher than the original aluminum. Issues we used to have with the original. This is a multi-piece shift drum. So on occasions we have seen guys when they're really pushing, drag racing, hot rodding, we have seen separations of the aluminum here and wearing of the dogs. Here's the main problem. When we run these high torque motors, this is your third and second gear. This is the dog. What the dog does is it slides back and forth, engaging that gear. The biggest improvement on the new one is this is all hardened. It's electronically heat treated. So what's gonna happen is it's a lot harder, it's gonna be more durable. And then these gears here, it's gonna be hard for you to see in this shot. I'm gonna do another shot up close so you can kind of see better. But for now, I'll just explain that this slides over and it's drawn in. So on the King 6, they've back cut the gears. So what's gonna happen is when I complete this shift, this gear is actually gonna draw the dog in, which is gonna make it a much smoother, quicker shift for you. And guys are loving it. They actually use this in the Battle of the Baggers, which is kind of cool too. Okay, I wanna talk about one of the main improvements about this transmission. Not only is everything harder, but the back cutting of the gears is really important to me. I see a lot of these 6-speed transmissions come apart. When they come apart, this is normally our problem here. Okay? So this is the third to second dog. So what's going on is this slides back and forth to engage these gears, okay? So what happens over time is this likes to jump out. You're engaging third, you got a ton of torque there, and it's jumping. And as it's jumping, it's rocking like this, right? And I don't know if you can see that gouging there. See how deep that is? It's a major failure point of our 6-speed transmission. If you look at this dog, there's actual cracks here, here, and here. These marks here, that is from it actually jumping out of third gear. So what this customer complained of is he thought his clutch was slipping. Well, his clutch wasn't slipping, it was actually jumping out of gear. Okay? So that's one of our biggest improvements. Harley spent a lot of time engineering on making these transmissions quiet. As you can see, this is a nice spur cut gear, not a straight cut gear. And that helps with the noise reduction big time. So while I have you here up close, I'm going to show you this back cutting of these dogs here. So if you look here, if you look at the angle, okay, it's back cut. What that's going to do is it's actually going to draw that gear in. These ones have it on the gears. That's going to draw that dog in that I showed you that failed. Let's take a minute to talk about our heavy gear oil. For years, Harley has always just run formula and our Screaming Eagle 2050 in transmissions and primaries. This heavy gear oil is awesome. I've been recommending it in every bike I build. My bike, I obviously ride it too. It's an 8140, super thick. It quiets everything down, gets rid of your clutch chatter. It helps finding neutral, longevity of these trannies. Everybody's really happy with that product, and it's worth it. You know, in your transmission, you're not changing that tranny fluid every 8,000 kilometers with your oil, right? You don't have to change it very often. So yes, it's more expensive than the Formula, but it's definitely a great product. Really happy with it. So the reason why this is a better transmission to use in the Battle of the Baggers racing competitions is the quick shifting ability. You know, those back cut gears are just biting. You're not missing shifts anymore. It's just a tighter setup. The 25% increase in torque is really important when you're coming out of the hole, and the guys are just saying they're great. So I'm really excited to put this into this bike. The customer's excited too. So keep watching, and I'm going to work my magic as I always do and get her popped in there. Hey, Adam here at Thunder Road Harley-Davidson, bringing you a new product. No, I'm not. It's not a new product. It's not a new product. We've had it for like a year. It's not new. It's not new.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and follow for more content. Take care.